Three.
Happy birthday, ate. Ingat kayo dyan lagi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Tita Connie! Happy birthday, Tita Connie. I wish you nothing but happiness, success, and the best in life. We are always here for you, and I hope you had a blessed day because you deserve the best.
Happy birthday, Tita! I hope you and your family will have a good health. We love you!
Have the best ever birthday, ate. I wish you have a good health and many, many more birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy
birthday again.
Connie, we miss
We
you.
miss you.
Happiest birthday, Ate Connie. Enjoy your day. Lagi ka mag-iingat dyan. Cheers! Love you!
Happy birthday, ate. Enjoy your day. Hope you have many more birthdays to come. God bless to us. Mag-ingat lagi dahil nagkakaedad na tayo. And alam mo na, kailangan enjoy. Life too short. Once again, happy birthday. I love you. See you at work.
Happy birthday, Tita Connie!
Happy birthday, Ate Connie. Enjoy your day. At sana, umiwas na sa pagkain na matataba. We're getting older. Thank you for being a good sister. I miss you. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Tita Connie. Hope your day will be filled in love, laughter, and happy moments with your family. And may God will guide you on your next journey. That's all. Take care of yourself. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Connie. You have more birthday to come, Ate.
Happy birthday, Ate Connie. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday na dumating sa iyong buhay.
Ingat ka palagi sa work.
At lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Luna. Hope you have a great day.
We love you!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Connie. More birthday to come. Ingat palagi, Tita.
Hi, Ate Connie. Happy birthday. And I wish you more birthdays to come and good health la perme. And sana pagbalik nyo dito sa Pilipinas, magkita ulit tayo. And enjoy life lang. Magpakasexy lang lagi, magpaka-pretty la perme. Sana magkita na tayo pag-uwi mo ulit sa Pilipinas. Okay, bye-bye. Love you. I miss you. And take care always. Regards to everyone. Happy birthday. God bless. Good health lang. Tagay pa more. Hi, Connie. Happy birthday. Wish you good health and long life. Nandito pa kami sa Leyte ngayon. Happy birthday. I miss you, Connie. Bye. See you soon.
Ay, Mare, kamusta? Happy birthday! Wala na. Nagtatandaan na tayo. O sige, pasensya na ha. Hindi ako makapunta sa birthday mo. Alam mo naman, trabaho. Ito nga, naka-ready na ako eh. O sige, ilang taon na? Di bale, number lang yan. O sige, happy birthday uli. Bye, love you.
Go. Hello, Con! Surprise! Tomorrow is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pasensya na, may pasok ako, but happy birthday and many more birthday to come. For your grandchildren, your mga makukulit na mga grandchildren, be patient. Again, happy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Miss na kita. Umuwi ka na. Tumatawa. Umuwi ka dito. Umuwi ka na dito. I love you.